Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're going to boost your PS5 performance instantly with a few simple steps. Place your PS5 on a stable table with good lighting so you can clearly see what you're doing. Make sure your PS5 is completely powered on before we begin any adjustments. On your PS5 menu, scroll to the top right and select the settings icon. Inside the PS5 settings, scroll down and select System. In the PS5 system settings, choose System Software. Now select Console Info on your PS5 to check for available updates. If your PS5 has a pending update, download and install it to improve performance. After the PS5 update installs, let the console fully restart. Once your PS5 boots up, go back into Settings. Scroll to Save Data and Game App Settings on your PS5. Select Save Data on your PS5 and find your most used games. Delete old or unnecessary saved data that is no longer needed on your PS5. This frees up system memory on your PS5 and can improve speed. Next, return to the PS5 home screen. Highlight any PS5 game you no longer play. Press the Options button on your PS5 controller. Select Delete to uninstall the unused game from your PS5. This will free up storage and reduce background load on your PS5. Now shut down your PS5 completely, not rest mode. Wait for the PS5 lights to turn off fully. Carefully unplug the power cable from the back of your PS5. Unplug the HDMI cable from your PS5 as well. Leave your PS5 unplugged for 5 minutes to reset capacitors. While the PS5 is unplugged, inspect the power cable for damage. Check the PS5 HDMI port for dust or debris buildup. Use a soft brush to gently clean around the PS5 ports. Do not use liquid cleaners on your PS5 ports. Now take a can of compressed air to clean the PS5 vents. Gently blow air into the PS5 side vents. Blow air through the back exhaust of your PS5. Keep the compressed air upright while cleaning your PS5. Rotate the PS5 slightly to reach every airflow area. Make sure not to spin the PS5 fan directly using compressed air. Next, remove the PS5 side cover carefully. Slide the PS5 panel gently to avoid cracking the plastic. Once opened, you'll see dust around the PS5 internal vents. Use compressed air to clean dust from the PS5 fan housing. Use a small brush to loosen stubborn dust inside your PS5. Do not touch sensitive PS5 components with your fingers. After cleaning, reattach the PS5 side cover properly. Plug the power cable back into your PS5 securely. Plug the HDMI cable back into your PS5. Power on your PS5 normally. Once the PS5 loads, go back to Settings. Scroll to Network on your PS5. Select Settings and choose Set up Internet Connection on your PS5. Ensure your PS5 is connected to a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi network if available. If possible, use a wired LAN cable to your PS5 for best performance. Now return to your PS5 home screen. Highlight any game on your PS5 and press Start to launch it. Check how smoothly the game is running on your PS5 now. You should already feel faster load times on your PS5. You should notice smoother menu navigation on your PS5. Your PS5 fan should sound quieter after the cleaning. Your PS5 should stay cooler under load now. Your PS5 performance should now be significantly improved. If your PS5 is still slow, consider adding an internal NVMe SSD upgrade later. But for now, your PS5 should run much better with these adjustments. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes, and enjoy your boosted PS5 performance.